Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we will show you how to filter email to folder in Thunderbird, so you can keep your inbox organized and make sure important emails always go to the right place. Step 1. Open Thunderbird and decide where you want the filtered emails to go. Right-click on your inbox or any parent folder. Choose New Folder, and then give it a name. This folder will be created instantly. Step 2. Go to the Tools menu at the top and select Message Filters. This section is where you can create and manage filters. Filters allow Thunderbird to automatically move incoming emails into the folder you created. Step 3. Click on New Filter and give it a name such as Us, or any label you can easily recognize. The name is just for your reference, so you know what the filter is used for later. Step 4. Set the filter condition by choosing the rule you want, such as from contains followed by the email address you want to filter. You can also filter by subject or other details, depending on your needs. This step tells Thunderbird what to look for in incoming messages. Step 5. Choose the action for your filter, such as Move Message To, and then select the folder you created earlier. Once you save the filter, Thunderbird will automatically move matching emails to that folder whenever they arrive. Thank you for watching Techie Dialogue, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.